Hello everyone, this is me Fanish here. I'm a student of BTech CSE 7th Sem from Suresh Ganvihar University. I welcome you all to watch this video. In this video, I'll be demonstrating my project, which is the online examination system that I have submitted as a part of my major project for the 7th Sem. So let's get started. First of all, discussing with you the abstract of the project. The online examination system is a software solution which allows a particular company or institute to arrange, conduct, and manage examinations in an online environment. This can be done through the online portal that I intend to develop for the same. It will provide a distant reach among the students worldwide as the internet itself is widely distributed. Some of the problems faced by manual examination systems are delays in result processing, filing poses a problem, filtering of records is not easy, the chance of loss of record is also high, and also record searching is difficult. Maintenance of system is also very difficult and it takes a whole lot of time. The reach of the examination is also not wide enough. I intend to overcome these barriers and shortcomings through my project. I intend to use the software development lifecycle, that is the SDLC, which is a conceptual model used in project management that describes the stages involved in an information system development project. So before I start with my project, I'll demonstrate to you the exam server on which my files should be running. This is the Apache server and this is the MySQL server which I'll be needing for my files to run. I'll click on the start button for both the servers and that should do. Okay, so since my project, that is the online examination system, as the name suggests, is an online web application, we would need a browser for it to run on. I chose Google Chrome to run my project on. So since all the files are on the system itself, that is the local host, in order to start the project, I simply have to type localhost exam. The exam is the name of the folder in which all the files are situated in. So this is how the index page of my site looks like. This is the logo of the site and these are the three links to the home, login and about pages. This is the slider which I have created using the jQuery animate function, which adds to the beauty of the site. You can simply slide between the images like this. So this is the accordion for the new and trending exams based on the hits and the number of users that have logged for the exam. These are the links to the register and login for an institute to register itself or login. This is the search button here. You can search anything by simply clicking on the magnifying glass like button. For example, entering a keyword Rajasthan and then clicking on the button again. All the exams with Rajasthan in them, be it the name of exam or the venue, would be displayed to you. So going downwards, you can see the links to the Facebook, Twitter, MySpace and YouTube accounts of the developer, that is myself. Clicking on them will redirect you to the account of Facebook, Twitter, MySpace and YouTube respectively. So this is the Facebook account of myself. So I'll now be telling you how to add papers to the project. The papers should be given by the users, that is the students. In order to enter the papers, you will have to register your institute. In order to register your institute, simply click on the register button here. It will redirect you to the sign up page where you have to enter your credentials. The institute name, say ABC. The email ID, say abc@gmail.com. Contact number, it should be of length 10. The desired username ABC, password ABC. If the username has been in previous use, you will be displayed an error message here. Let's say I click on the summary button and I have been shown this error message. The username is already in use. Since I have already used the username ABC before, so I'll have to enter some other username, say ABC21. In case it is accepted, you will be redirected to your home page, wherein you can enter new papers. To enter a new paper, simply click on the choice. Say I'll be entering a new paper in the choice of cat. I'll write some paper name, say mock 1. Duration in minutes 140. Marking when correct 3 and marking when wrong 1. On clicking on the submit button, I'll be shown an alert message if the paper name already exists as paper name already exists, please choose a different name. So I'll have to enter it all again. Cat mock duration 140 minutes, marking when correct 3 and marking. So I'm good to go. On clicking on the submit button, I'll be shown a message that the paper is created and start entering the questions. So now I can enter the questions for my paper. Let's say I'll add a question as who was the first Prime Minister of India? Along with the choices, I'll also have to enter the key to the question. In this case, the numeric value of the key is 1. On clicking on the next button, I'll be shown that the question has been entered successfully, and I'll enter the next question. So adding another question. Entering the choices as Bill Gates, jobs, entering the key to the question as 2. Suppose I am done with the questions and I have entered enough questions for my paper. I can simply click on the done button here, and I will be asked to confirm the submission of the paper as are you sure you want to submit a test. On clicking on the cancel, the box will disappear. On clicking on the OK button, will be displayed the message as paper generated successfully. So this is how you can generate a paper. On clicking on the logout, you will be logged out of your profile. Just to demonstrate that you can log in from the index page itself, you can simply enter your credentials here under the enter a new exam, the username as ABC21 and the password as ABC, and then clicking on the login button. You will be redirected to your homepage. That is your profile. You can log out by clicking on the logout button. For a new student to log in, simply click on the login up here. If the username and password are already available with you, that is, you have already signed up for the account, you can enter it here. Or for a new user, you can click on the sign up button here. You can enter your name here, say fanish, the date of birth, this is the date paper that I have used, the college, the HW, the stream, the my field of interest of the papers I wish to see as soon as I log in to my profile. I'll select it as cat. The contact number, which should again be of 10 length. The desired username. As Then you have to be careful whether it exists already or not. So the username here already exists. So I'll change it again and then click on the submit button here. So as you can see, I'll be redirected to my home page. As I am a new user now and I haven't attended any of the tests, I will display this message. You do not have given any of the tests. Click on the exam string to attend an exam and view your score here. So I'll click on the exams and click on the mock one. So I'll be shown this paper in this new window and I can attempt the paper here. The question along with the choices, the previous and next button for navigation, and the mark button to mark this question, so that in the review section I can see which questions I have marked and which are not marked. Also, along with the marked and the unmarked question, I'll also be shown the attempted and the unattempted questions here. I can directly navigate to the questions by clicking on them. So I'll attempt the questions now. So clicking on the close button here will prompt me whether or not to leave the page. On clicking on the leave this page, I would be redirected to the home page and the test will be submitted. The paper which we had added earlier, that is mock 8, we try and get that paper now. And here now the mock 8, the paper will be shown to us as this. Who started the company? Okay, Steve Jobs. So the point to be noted here is that the questions would not be given in the same order as they were entered. They would be produced randomly to each and every user, so that any two users don't have the same set of questions in the same order. Again, submitting the test and clicking on the scores to be able to see the performance of the two tests, the mock 1 and mock 8. So I'm a top scorer, I guess. I'm logging out with the direct us to the home page. On clicking on the about link here, you will show details of the project here. So that is it for the presentation, guys. Thank you for being such patient listeners. Cheers.